So I'm about to show you how you can connect your switches and then your lamp holders. Okay, so as you can see, we have our 3-gang switch here, and then as you can see, our 3-gang switch, they've labeled L1 and then L2 and then L3 because it's 3-gang switch. So L1, L2, L3. So we'll loop a cable. You take a thin cable, 1.5, and then you loop from L1 to L2. Okay, and then from L2 to L3. So that L1 is where your power supply will be. Okay, so we are going to look for our power supply. Okay, so the power supply that we are going to look for, we need our clamp meter to check whether we can find our power supply. Okay, so this my clamp meter. So by the help of the clamp meter, we are going to look for the power supply. So that's why it's very important to get the clamp meter. Okay, so we are putting it into the continuity test, so you can hear the sound. So it's like, let's take it as if we don't know our power supply. So we are about to look for our power supply, where to connect our main. So we will connect the cable to our main switch, so we can't find it, so we are looking for it. Okay, it's not it. So as you can hear the sound, which means this is our power supply. Okay, so this is our power supply. We'll take our 3-gang switch. Okay, and then we are about to connect our 3-gang switch. So in our 3-gang switch, we have L1. So far as we've looped the L1, L2, and then L3, we'll take our power supply and then we'll use it to connect it to our L1 in the termination. So we've terminated L1. So when the power comes, it will loop to L2 and then from L2 to L3. Okay, because we are using all the 3 switches. Okay, so the power is coming from L1 and then we flip it to come to L2 and then we flip it to come to L3. Okay, so first of all, this is our cable, but we don't know, we've not indicated the cable. So through the help of our clamp meter, we will see the cable that I'm holding. Okay, so this is my clamp meter. I'm about to check for my cable, for the switch cable. Okay, so this is our switch. I don't know the switch. So this is the switch. So this is the switch. So I'm about to connect it to L1. So this is my switch cable. I have L3. I have L1. This is my L1. This is my L2. This is my L3. Okay, so first of all, I want to terminate my L3. So the L3 will be here. Okay, so I'm terminating L31. L31. I'm terminating my L31. This is my L31. And then this one is L. This is my L32. Here is my L3. Sorry. Here is my L21. Or if I like, I can terminate it in L22. So let me terminate it in L22. We have L31 and then L22. So this termination is going to L22. And then the last one, which is the L11, we are terminating L11. Okay, so we are terminating L11. and then we are terminating L22. Sorry, we are terminating L12. Okay, L12, L12. That's our termination for that. Okay, L12. We've terminated L12. So we are about to terminate here. So with the help of our clamp meter, we need to use our clamp meter to check. This is our L1 here. So we are checking L1. So this is our L1. Okay, this is our L1. So in our one gang switch, we are connecting L1 here. So this is my L1, L1 here. Okay, so as you can see, in my one gang switch, this is my L1, L1 here. Okay, L1. So I've terminated my L1, L1, sorry, and then here too is my L2. So this is the control that I'm doing, control switch. So this is L2, okay, and then the switch cable, which is the middle cable, is going to L. Is going to L in the one gang switch, okay. So it's going to L. So L is going to L, okay. So now I'm done with the switches connection, and then I'm about to connect my lamp holder. So stay tuned and watch, okay. So first of all, I'm connecting the middle lamp holder first, okay. So this is my neutral cable. I'm connecting my neutral first. So I'm connecting my neutral cable first, and then my live cable. This is my live cable. I'm connecting my switch cable or live cable, okay. So I'm done with my lamp holder too, my middle lamp holder, and I'm connecting here my neutral first, and then my live cable. So I'm done with that one too, and then the last but not the least, I'm connecting my lamp holder, last one, okay, my neutral first, and then connect my live cable or my switch cable. So I'm done with my lamp holder connection. So now I need to connect my main switch. So I'll be using one way, okay, one way switch, one way switch, okay. Sorry, this is my one way. Sorry, this is my two-way main switch, okay. This is my two-way main switch. So what I need to do now is to connect my power supply, and then connect my neutral bar. This is my neutral bar, This is my neutral bar. Okay, this is the neutral bar. This is my neutral bar. So I've connected my neutral bar. So I need to lock it. Okay, so I'm locking it so that I can use my fuse inside. Okay, so that I can use my fuse inside. Okay, so I've locked it. So I'm about to connect my fuse inside and then I'll on it so that you see how it works. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done with the wiring. I'm done with the connections and then my fixing of switches and then my lamp holders and then my bulbs. So this is my main switch. As you can see, I've connected my main switch. Everything is intact. And then I'm about to test whether the connection that I did, everything was intact. So first of all, when you off my lamp, as you can see here, it's being on like what I told you. If you off, when you on this place too, it will on. And then when you off this place, when you on this place too, it will be on. But I told you that this place, when you on this place, you can off it at the one gang switch here like this. As you can see, you can on it here, you can off it here, and then at the same time you can on it here, you can off it here like this. By this place, only you can control it with one gang switch here. Sorry, with one gang switch here. You see, so here you can on it here. So this is how the connection is. So if you want to learn it more, just watch this video and then you are good to go to wire this place, wire your lighting system. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, like and then comment under it. Thank you very much.